I will show you exactly how to reinstate a disabled Facebook advertising account. As you can see, it says you are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise, and you can see a red warning that says account restricted. Yeah, so when you look at the what you can do section, you will see confirm your identity and request a review. So if your Facebook account is restricted, I will show you by the time you would have finished watching this video how to appeal and get your account reinstated. Now, when you also check on the ad manager, you see something like Facebook account is restricted from advertising. You may see also something like you are restricted from advertising and all those things. They are all part of the restriction. And this is a user account restriction. And I would like to let you know that if your account is a page restriction, you can check the link above. If it is also a business manager restriction, you can also check the link above. But if it is a user account, this is exactly the one you need to follow. Someone may ask, how do you get to the account quality or business support home? Now, when you log into your Facebook account, as you can see here, you click on, you see on the left-hand corner, you will see ad manager. So when you click on the ad manager, it brings you here. So when you come here and you see a warning that says you are restricted from advertising, it's a user account. So when you click, either you click on see details or you come and click on the three lines and click on business support home. The former name was account quality. So if you still have account quality, you can click on it. If you also see business support home, click on it. It will bring you to this place. Okay. So when it brings you to the account quality, you will see what you can do section on the top right hand corner, and it will say request review. Now, before you request a review, there are some few things you have to do. Now, in the first place, someone may ask, why is the account restricted? I want to let you know that the reason why Facebook restricts the accounts is, number one reason, most of the time, is by mistake. The system may suspect that you have violated a policy, and it will try to restrict your account so that when you appeal, they will actually look at it. A human being will review it manually, but it's the algorithm that always restrict the account. Now, when you want to know specifically, or sometimes you may not get a specific reason, but you want to have an idea about what caused the restriction, when you check here, it will say that you are not allowed to use Meta product to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies. And you see this is the link to the advertising policy. So when you click on this link, it is going to take you to the advertising policy so that you know the advertising policy you probably violated. But most of the time, they are vague policies. They are not clear. So you read all of them and you don't even see which one you violated. So in that case, what you just need to do, you have to appeal. And so when you appeal, they will look at it manually. And then when you didn't actually violate a policy, they will reinstate the account for you. So before you appeal, you make sure that you change your name. So your first and last name must match with the name on the ID card you are using to confirm your identity. For your information, you can use national ID, voter ID, passport, and driving license. So when you get those IDs ready, so you also make sure that you change your birth date. So when you click on your name at the top left, you come to about section, you go to contact and basic info. You scroll down, you will see your date of birth. So make sure that your date of birth correspond with the date of birth on the ID card, and your gender, make sure that it corresponds. Then after that, you come here and then click on request review. So when you click on request review, it will ask you get started. Then you get started. It will ask you to confirm you are not a robot. Then you click on continue. To ask you to confirm the numbers that are connected to the account. So you connect those numbers. So when you put a code again, when you put a code, you click on continue. So when you click on the code, when you put a code, you click on continue. They may ask you to upload your picture. So you may be asked to post to upload an image of yourself. Then you upload it and click continue. So they will ask you to choose the reason why you are requesting the review. So just going to, so you just post some. Okay, so what I'm saying is that, dear Facebook, my user account has been restricted, and this is a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I'm told I didn't comply with one or more of your policies. Then I listed all of them, and I went ahead to say that I have reviewed all of them, and I am extra sure I didn't violate any of your policies. I'm sure this would definitely be a mistake. Then you send it. So the review has been requested. So within 48 hours, they will get back to us and then probably reinstate the account. So that is how exactly you request a review for your account. Thank you for watching. If you follow this procedure and it doesn't help, please leave your comment in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link in the description to WhatsApp us, and we can help you get your account reinstated. We charge very affordable fees and we are able to help you. Yeah. So I'm expecting to see your comments in the comment section. You may also WhatsApp us. Okay. Remember to also like and subscribe to this channel for other more powerful videos. Bye-bye and see you in the next video.